Hello, welcome to the Infinity Prelude Massage Chair Remote Tutorial video. In this video, we are going to learn the layout of the remote to better understand how to use it and get the most out of your massage chair. This chair has a simple interface with a display screen showing what is active. All features are available with just a touch of a button. This video will be split into two different sections, starting an auto program and customizing a massage. There are also additional quick navigation chapters located in the description of this video, so you can skip ahead as needed. Let's begin by turning on the remote by pressing the power button located in the top left of the controller. This button is used to turn the chair on and off when connected to power, and when the power switch on, the back of the chair is turned to the on position. When the remote is turned on, the screen will show an outline of the user. This outline is an indicator of what is currently happening with the massage chair. Every time you change something about the massage, it will be reflected here on this display. To the right of the power button is the quick program button. This will immediately start an 8-minute auto program. Perfect if you need to fit a quick massage into your busy schedule. Before we go any further with customizing your massage, let's take a look at the other available auto programs. In the middle of this remote, we have a set of 5 auto program buttons: full body, recover, focus, relax, and all air. The first time you press one of these auto program buttons and start a massage session, the chair will automatically begin scanning your body, mapping your back, shoulders, and neck. During this process, it's important to remain seated back into the chair without lifting your head. When the scan is finished, the chair will give you an indicator noise. During this time, you can use the roller up and down buttons at the bottom of the remote to fine-tune the position of the rollers. Each one of the auto programs provides a different massage that is designed to stimulate muscles and ease tension. We recommend trying each one out and seeing what feels best to you. Before we go into customizing your massage program, let's take a look at the buttons just below the screen. Starting with timer, this will cycle through the different time settings for your massage. This button can be used mid-massage to add or remove time from the current massage program. Next is heat. This button will turn the massage chair's lumbar heat on or off. Just below heat is the foot roller button. This will turn the foot rollers on or off. To the left of the foot roller button is the pause button. While the chair is active, pushing the pause button will pause the current program. Pressing it again will resume the massage. The set of buttons just inside these buttons are the chair's position adjustments. Starting with the top and bottom, these are the footrest up and footrest down buttons. The left and right are the backrest up and backrest recline buttons. The button in the very middle is the zero gravity button. Pressing this will put your chair into the zero gravity position. Pressing it a second time will return you to the upright position. To customize your massage while the massage chair is powered on, press the manual button. This will activate a massage technique. Press this button repeatedly to cycle through the available techniques. There is kneading, knocking, and knocking, tapping, and shiatsu. These techniques can be used in conjunction with the width adjustment button located directly below the manual button. This button will change the width of the rollers along your back. Press it to select narrow, which will massage right along your spine. Press it again for medium, and again for wide. To the right of the manual button is the back zone button. While the chair is in manual mode, you can use this button to change the roller zone. Pressing once will set the rollers to full back, which will use the entirety of the S-track to massage. Pressing it a second time will change to partial mode. This keeps the rollers along an 8 to 10 inch area of the L-track. Pressing it a third time will put the rollers into point mode, which keeps the rollers in one area of the S-track. During the partial or point modes, you can use the massage roller buttons to move the rollers to the area or point you want the chair to focus on. The final adjustment you can make with the massage rollers is their speed using the roller speed adjustment buttons. Using these will increase or decrease the speed of the rollers, changing the massage intensity. To the left of the manual button is the Air Zone Adjustment button. Press this once for foot air massage. A second push will activate leg air massage. The third push will activate both feet and legs air massage. The fourth push will activate arms air massage. The fifth will activate shoulders, and then if you cycle through to a sixth push, this turns the airbags off. If you would like to activate all of the airbag zones, you will need to push the All Air Program button. The air massage has different levels of intensity. Use the air pressure intensity adjustment buttons to adjust the strength of the airbag compression to your liking. Now that you understand the settings, layout, and functions of the Prelude remote control, you can fully enjoy your Infinity Prelude massage chair and truly maximize your massages. Enjoy your chair, and thank you for being a part of the Infinity family.